What's up, everybody? This is Shane. I've got a little bit better lighting, a little bit better camera today. I'm using my laptop instead of my display. But when I look at my display, it's going to look like this, and I'm in the lower corner, so hopefully it'll look like I'm looking up at the map. This is the daily challenge for, where are we? Wednesday, April 26th. We're getting it early today. It's 8 o'clock, so I'm going to make myself a little here. We're going to transition to the monitor, and let's see if the daily challenge is up, because it's 8:02. Yesterday was an absolute complete utter disaster, but we're ready to go. We're going for 20,000, 5 locations worth 5,000 each. Bing bang boom, let's do this. Today is going to be a better day, and we're in the middle of absolutely nowhere right now. Dude with a hat. This is like, I may do fine here. I may do just fine, but I may not do fine. Okay. All right, so we're zoomed all the way out. Let's calm down a second and let's look all around. Okay, so here is where an alien spacecraft landed and dug out the vegetation, apparently. So let's just keep hitting this and try to go somewhere. This is crazy. All right, so you've got big mountains all around. Oh man, it looks so big that like, doesn't it look like Lord of the Rings almost, like it would be New Zealand? Okay, we're on this footpath. I mean, let's look all around us. I suppose. So we're just walking up this path. Okay, what about the sun? Can we at least get a hemisphere? Nope, that would be asking too much. I mean, Borneo, New Zealand. Am I supposed to know this? Okay, so now we're here. What the fuck is going on? I'm genuinely so clueless. Oh, man. Okay, well, I'm going back to the start. We went that way, so now let's go this way. Maybe there's something here. Because I'll tell you, if there's not, I guess this is so funny. I'm going to guess New Zealand, and if it's wrong, it's going to be incredibly wrong. I don't know. Like, there may be something, like, people are going to watch this and go, "Oh yeah, you moron! That's the famous crop circle in Borneo." I don't know why I'm thinking Borneo. Why is the name Borneo coming into my head? So, okay, there's only one way out of here, and it was up that path. So let's go to the most mountainous region of New Zealand and hope that we're doing a Lord of the Rings hike here. Yeah, Fiordland National Park. There's definitely some, like, huge mountains. Okay, here's something, a mountain aspiring. These are huge. Those are huge mountains. Mount Edward, Mount Victor. Maybe it's Mount Edward. I have no clue. Sucks, man. What is this, a new badge? Okay, 10 countries in a row. Whatever. I mean, come on, go away, badges. So yeah, it was in... It was an island called Orchid Island off the coast of Taiwan. I gotta say, that is... I don't want to be a whiner, but that's super frustrating. Like, how am I supposed to know that? How on earth am I supposed to know where that is? Alright, well, let's shake it off and let's go. Alright, here we are in the middle of nowhere again. No, there's actually some stuff here. Okay, we're overlooking a great big city. What does this say? Oh, this says nothing. Those are windows. Let's go up and see what it says here. Marriott Migali with an M. Yellow license plate. So if it's Spanish, it could be that we're looking at Colombia. Hold on, come on, guys. Every license plate seems to be yellow here, and yeah, we're not being allowed to move anywhere. God, this absolutely sucks this round. All right, yeah, we're telling us that we're on a big hill. All right, so he's the peace sign. Does his hat say anything? I mean, that is silly. All right, so it is important to know we're driving on the right here. So if we're in Africa, that means that we're in West Africa because we're driving on the right. But let's look for some text here. Come on. Outdoor fun. Fazenda Sanga. Yeah, I'm thinking this is Africa. Luxury Garden Palace. Gusaba no Inama, bar and restaurant, sauna, massage. What's this say? Corval? Luxury Garden Palace. Let's go up here. Umarange water. So I have absolutely just no clue. And are we like not allowed to go? Yeah, we're not going around up there anymore. Nigeria, Ghana. Your guess is kind of good as mine here. We're driving on the right, and we're potentially in Africa. I mean, it seems like we should be in Africa. All right, why is it in English? Yellow license plates. I actually don't know in Africa what has yellow license plates. All right, so that's going nowhere. Can we go up here? Oh, okay, we can go up here. Maybe there's something at the last bit here. I have no idea where in any of these countries it would be. Just no clue. All right, so I'm witnessing green shirts. I'm going to pick Nigeria, and I have absolutely no idea why. Let's go close to the big cities. It was in Rwanda. So not very good. And again, we had bad movements. Okay, this is North Macedonia by the flag. Oh no, I'm sorry. Is that North Macedonia? No, that's Kyrgyzstan, isn't it? Yeah, this is Kyrgyzstan, the flag. And it should, yep, there's the red little strip on the license plate. So, okay. We're going to get a country right, folks. We're not going to, we're going to get more than 1,000 here. So let's go over here and see if we might know where we are. Okay. So this is the thing. So looking down here at this script, it seems like that would be like road byway. This right here, this word here, may be the middle word on the bottom before the 94. May be the place we're looking for. So let's go to Kyrgyzstan. Let's see if any of the Cyrillic. Let's look for the big cities. Oh yeah. So look at this here. See, this is Bushwick or whatever. See that word? And then here's Bishkek. So we are in Bishkek. I'm going to drop one there. And, God, it's like, it's funny because it feels so greedy to try to get better than that, but I think we can. So, like, for example, Hapo, like that, the first three words there are HAPO. Could we get that? What kind of street are we on here? This is a monument of some kind. Let's go back here and see what this monument is. Now, are we on, what kind of street are we on? It's one that's going basically east to west. An east to west street with a monument on it. Let's take a look. Asia Mall. So we got lots of shopping malls. This is a big city. Well, it takes up a lot of space on the map anyway. The road I'm on doesn't look huge. So, like, could it be, like, something like this? Like this? So, what I'm looking for is a monument. Like, maybe in English it'll say monument or whatever. Like perhaps we're on Lev Tolstoy Street. Or something that says Hapo, H-A-P-O, based on that, whatever that was, that movie theater looking thing before. I don't know. What about Gorky Street? Gorky seems like a Isn't he like a political figure? I'm going to put it right here. And we'll do our best. But I'm super happy. I think I've got the city right with the Cyrillic, and that's such a win. Okay, now I guess it wasn't actually in Bishkek, but it was pretty close. Oh, that's funny. There's the Hapo thing, whatever that is. And it's a supermarket, apparently. And do they have the... I think no. So anyway, 4,800 in a country with Cyrillic is quite good. I mean, the only other one that's remotely as easy as Bulgaria. So, all right, keep going. Okay, we're on the coast, and we're looking out. Yesterday, I completely blew this. We're looking to the west, so we're on the west coast of somewhere, in theory. Why aren't we going? Okay. What is... That's interesting right there, that the stripes on that pole. I've not really come across that before. So this one, it's not moving you up. It's like jumping you up. It looks like a place I've been before in Auckland, New Zealand, where you go on these like heights. But it's just like vaguely familiar in that sense. We are driving on the left, so it could be New Zealand. It certainly doesn't have to be. Okay, now we're moving. Yeah. I gotta tell you, I'm still so rankled by that first one. That first one was so annoying. Okay, no, so it's obviously not Auckland. We're driving on the left though. Oprah. Huh. I can't see what that says. Well, this guy's just on our tail here. Okay, we're doing some construction. I don't necessarily want to guarantee that's on left. Okay. That's a Colombian flag. This flag, I don't know. Is his license plate yellow? We don't know. Alright, so Colombian flag on the coast. Let's see what it says on the thing here. Alright, go back. Blue Lizard. Providenque Santa Acata. Providencia Santa Acata. So let's try that. Let's go so Colombia would be on the west coast of Colombia. Let's give this some town names here, folks. Any Providencias or Santa Cata? That's funny that there's a Belo Horizonte. So you're on the heights, like looking out. Providencia, Santa Cata. So nothing here that we can see. I mean, if we zoom in, is that going to help at all? It may not be helpful. What's the biggest place around here? Would be Bonaventura. That fits the most. I'll stick it here. Kind of on these heights, maybe. It was not in Colombia at all. So here's a map. Yeah, there's Providencia. What is the island? I actually don't even know if I know what the island is. So let me look up, just while we're here. Let's do Providencia Santa Catalina. So it's the archipelago of San Andres. It is part of Colombia, it looks like. Yeah, one of the departments of Colombia. The only one located geographically in Central America. So, which means we got 2,300 points, even though we knew the country and we knew it was on the west coast. Okay, Geoguessr, you're kind of trying my patience here a little bit. This was just a no-chancer from the start. Unlike yesterday where I blew it a bunch of times, this was, I was just not going to do it. All right, we're in the Southern Hemisphere. Vibes are South America. It's interesting we're seeing all these. Oh, I think this must be like a camera defect. Yeah, obviously. They didn't just pour glitter on all the houses. Let's see. Let's see if we can find any. I don't know if I'm making the right move here, going on this like back road. I doubt we'll see anything, but let's just press on. There's lots of brick. All right, here's a chance to see some license plates at least, so we know. No, let's go back this way. I bet there's a meta with the glittery look, like the sort of rainbow colored hues. It seems like we're all right. Por favor, Recolia's Fredos de suit. Yeah, okay. So this is that CAO. That little A thing obviously indicates that we are in a Portuguese-speaking country, and because we're in the southern hemisphere, and just based on the looks of it, we know we're in Brazil. The thing I learned yesterday was if we can find a road with like 2 letters on it, those letters can signify the province we're in, or states. I think they probably call them states. I'm not sure what they call them. I just saw a sign here that intrigued me. Nah, nothing. I wonder if like the recycling bin says anything valuable. No, it doesn't. Does this, like, we need to find a main road. Okay, so we're getting closer. I would say this looks vaguely promising. Maybe not. No, it doesn't look promising anymore. 54 seconds. What is this? Cerca Electrica. Careful electric circuit. Yeah. So, okay, looking at the trees. Oh. Back. No. Yeah, you just can't count on anything at all today. This sucks. Armazon Rural. This is Pare. We know. I need to stop. Okay, here's the main road. Let's just go and see what we see. Yeah, just another. It's gonna be another round in Brazil where I end up just putting Rio and somewhere near Rio or Sao Paulo. Okay, BR, Petrobras. I have no time left, so let's just go. We'll go Sao Paulo. It was just at the border with Uruguay, in the state of Rio Grande do Sul, and the city of Bagué. So, well, this is going to be awfully humbling. Yeah, there we go. We crawled toward 10,000. We thought yesterday was bad. Well, guess what? When you're stuck in the middle of a mountainous nowhere, and you have no idea, you get 0 points on the first one. Second one, again, kind of stuck in the middle of nowhere with no signs. We had more context, but also super bad. Number 3, we nailed it, folks. Yay. Kinda. We got within 37 miles. Number 4, it was an island. We got to Colombia, except it was an island very far away. And number 5, we had another mediocre Brazil round. So, fuck. This was really bad. I am not pleased right now. I thought I was going to do much better today. But we can't. Hey, no whining in Geoguessr, baby. You get the locations you get, and everybody's got to deal with the same ones. So, we'll try again tomorrow. Goodbye.